Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Cash App mobile application. Now once you are on this type of page, you will have to tap on this card tab in the bottom. Once done, you will be landed on the cash card page where you are going to see your cash card in the top. Now before linking your Cash App with your Apple Pay, you need to make sure that your cash card is activated. If it is not activated already, then you need to make sure that you activate it first. Afterwards, you need to follow the steps. Then you just have to scroll down on this page and tap on the option of add card to Apple Pay. Once done, you will be redirected on the next page where you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to link your Apple Pay with your Cash App account. Now once this step is done, if you want to make payment using your Apple Pay on Cash App, then you don't need to actually do this because whatever Apple Pay balance you have will be reflected in the Cash App mobile application. So in the cash balance, you will be able to see the collective amount that you have in your Cash App account as well as in your Apple Pay. So if you want to make the payment, then you can just use the Cash App mobile application and you will be able to pay it automatically. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.